Hey there, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical, Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center, and I can't wait to introduce you to our patient today. His name is Julio, and he's a retired military vet, and we are in the middle of a large restoration for him. It's so exciting, and it's a privilege, truly, and an honor to take care of those who have sacrificed so much for this great country. So check out his procedure, and eventually we'll show you his results. It's going to be an awesome reveal.
So I basically joined the Army in 1996 from New York City. I stayed in the Army for about 22 years of a military career. I've been to several wars, Iraq, Afghanistan. So, that's when I noticed a lot more thinning than usual. When I was under that stress of the war. My wife said, "So you're not happy?" Because I was looking at myself in the mirror and she walked in and she saw me. She was like, "Well, what's going on?" I said, "You know what? I'm not happy being born. So I want to take the extra step now that I have the time, now that I retired, and go ahead and do it." And she was like, "Yeah, go ahead and do it." I would like to have a full set of hair back like I had it when I was 21. And I know Dr. Bauman. I know they'll do it. They're a great team, and I know. Because right here, I didn't have nothing. And look all the hair I have in 8 months. And that's only 8 months ago.
Julio, welcome back. Welcome back. Great to see you. So this growth from the previous transplant, not yet fully grown in yet. It's going to take a full year to get the final result from what we did for you before. But the hairs are growing, we can see them, and we'll be able to put the new hairs in between if we want. We can change the hairline if you want, and we're going to get to the coverage in the crown area too. So let's take a peek and see how things are coming along here. So what we're looking at here is the donor area. This is the donor zone. This is where we've already done some harvesting. This is the transplant zone, and we can see the transplants growing very, very well all through these areas, and some of your existing hair is actually starting to pop up a little bit. So we're going to get some measurements going for you today, and we'll carry things forward. We're getting Julio ready for his procedure, so he's going to receive his local anesthetic for a completely comfortable day, and then I'm going to start making the recipient sites where the hairs are going to be implanted. Now that the recipient sites are created, we're going to go and harvest the follicles from the donor area, count them and sort them, and get them ready for implantation. Julio, how are you doing, my man? Welcome back.
Thank you.
How was the evening?
It was good. It was good. I mean, I drank a few motion and I went to sleep.
Okay.
Good. No pain.
And what about this morning? Any pain?
No pain this morning. No. I drank all my medicine, my pills that they gave me, and nothing. It's good.
Great.
I feel great.
That's fantastic. Well, everything went very smoothly yesterday. We're getting you ready for the healing phase. I know the team has already washed you, cleaned you, probably given you a whole set of new instructions to remind you what to do. I want to take a quick look at it and also get your feedback on how things went yesterday. All right. Everything was pretty comfortable, went smooth.
Oh yes, another great experience.
Good. Well, everything looks great. Obviously, you do have some fluid in there. There is some swelling that's going to work its way down, as you know from the last procedure. So there's some fluid in the back, some fluid in the front. We worked extensively in the crown area because that was our main focus, and then we changed the hairline a little bit, moving that hairline down and densifying the front and center, which is the critical area. But let me tell you, it's a pleasure to take care of you, and thank you so much for your service to this great country. And if you need anything during the healing phase, we have the setup appointments all scheduled and ready, so we'll touch base with you and track you on your way.
Hey, thank you very much. Appreciate it, Dr. Bauman. Thank you for everything you did for me.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, Dr. Bauman.
My pleasure.